Bored at home? Let's make some snack. Instant Medu Vadas. Without urad dal, no fermentation required, made instantly within 20 to 30 minutes with leftover rice. So let's start. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Cook with Appu. And share the video as much as possible. So let's see the ingredients. We are going to make Medu Vadas with the leftover rice. For ingredients, I have taken 2 cups of semolina or rava, 1 cup curd, 1 cup hot water, and 3 cups of leftover rice, chopped onions, curry leaves, almost 8 to 10 leaves. That also we have to tear it and put it. And then cumin seeds, coriander leaves, salt as per taste, and asafoetida, ginger. Ginger is chopped, and 3 to 4 green chilies also chopped. If you like spicy, you can add more green chilies. And then baking soda. We have taken baking soda or cooking soda, not baking powder. So remember that. Along with these ingredients, we'll take oil for frying. Now we'll grind the rice and curd into a coarse mixture. It should not be fine. We have taken 3 cups of rice and 1 cup of curd. So let's grind. Remember, we don't have to put a single drop of water. Now I have taken the semolina or rava or suji. Now we'll add water in it and mix it and keep it aside for 10 minutes. As you can see, I have mixed it with water. But remember, if you want to do it fast, you can add hot water also and mix it. So the suji will absorb it fast. So let's keep it aside for 5 to 6 minutes now. See, this is the ground mixture of rice and curd. It should not be fine, I told you. It's looking fine. Now I've taken suji after 7 minutes. You can see it has risen up nicely. Now we'll add this to this mixture. Yeah. Now we'll add other ingredients. First, let's mix it once. As you can see, I have mixed it very nicely. Now I'll add all the ingredients one by one. First, I have taken onion, 1 or 2 chopped onions you can take. Then I'll add the green chilies, curry leaves, coriander leaves, cumin seeds, salt, ginger. It should be chopped finely. Asafoetida powder, hing, and now we'll mix it very nicely. As you can see, wash your hands first and then mix it nicely. Then we are adding the cooking soda. Now we'll mix it again and keep it aside for 4 to 5 minutes. Our batter looks like this. Many of you make with your hand the Medu Vadas. You can continue with it, but it's risky for some people. So I'll teach you a new method, and I've taken a strainer for it. You have to wet it nicely, and I've kept the oil for heating up. Then I've taken a vessel to take out the Medu Vadas. So let's continue. We have taken a metallic strainer, not the plastic one. Remember this. Wet the surface of the strainer. Now we'll place the batter and give it a circle shape and make a hole in the middle, because this is the common design of the Medu Vada. Now we'll put it into oil after it's heated up. So this is the oil. As you can see, it was removed very easily. So in this there is no risk also. You can try this method at home very easily. Now we have cooked one side and flipped it. You have to also see it doesn't break. to do it very delicate it is, because we have not added anything else. We have just added the cooked rice. So this also you can try as a recipe. You can have it as an evening snack. You can serve it with sambar or white chutney. So let's make vada and show you after that. For these medu vadas, you don't have to ferment the batter. You can make it instantly with just leftover rice and some suji. So it's a very easy recipe. You all should try, share, comment. We are very near to 250 subscribers. Subscribe to channel Cook with Appu. Share it with your friends. Share this recipe. Try it at your home and tell how was it in the comments. So let's make vadas in the batches of 2 or 3. So it will be easy to make. And remember, you have to flip it very delicately in every 10 to 15 seconds, because then it can break also. And see, it's cooking very nicely. Our medu vadas with rice are ready. So you can see that it's ready. You can serve it with coconut chutney or with sambar. Link is given in the description and the comment box. And you can even try with onion chutney. So you can see the vadas are so crispy and ready, and these were made in just about 20 to 30 minutes. So you can make it at home very easily. And if you like this recipe, like the video, comment on it, subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon to keep you updated. And share this video as much as possible. Thanks for watching.